Hey guys, what's up? In this video I'm going to give you guys a really fast guide on how to go ahead and install your pixel on your ClickFunnels to show view contents, add to carts and purchases. So here's the funnel, one of my Google shopping courses. I have the view content, the add to cart, here's the view content, add to cart, and then purchase. So I already created the pixel. This is the Google shopping pixel. Go ahead and set up pixel, manually install pixel yourself. First you want to go ahead and copy the entire pixel and you want to go to setting of the whole funnel, go to head tracking code and paste it here. Scroll down, save setting. Next you want to go ahead and continue, manually install event code, and here's all the different event codes that there is. So here is the view content page. Go settings, tracking code, and here's an old pixel. I'm going to go ahead and paste in the new pixel. I'm going to remove this because I'm not too sure what this is. And then you want to go here, go to Facebook, click view content, go ahead and copy, scroll down, paste, copy this, and then you can put it underneath here, and then you remove it. So I basically pasted the Facebook pixel and said once people hit this page it will be counted as a view content. X, save. Here's the add to cart page, do the same thing. Let's go ahead and go tracking code. I'm going to copy this, copy. This is the add to cart page, tracking code, paste, and go to the purchase, tracking code. I have a Google shopping, AdWords tracking above, so I'm going to put the Facebook pixel code up below. So first I'm going to get the add to cart code, add to cart, copy, go to add to cart, paste, copy the add to cart and replace the view content with add to cart, remove that, and done. That is the add to cart pixel. Go back, manually install code, go to purchase here. I'm going to put in conversion value. Let's put in 1997 USD. Copy. Here's a purchase page, paste. Copy, replace view content with this. Awesome. And this will show the purchase. Then save. It is as simple as that. And then data should start flowing in as people go through the funnel. Hopefully you were able to follow this straight to the point and simple guide. If you guys need help with doing something like this, sign up for the mentorship application linked in the description below. Other than that, if you guys found value, drop a like below. If you have any questions whatsoever, drop a comment below in the comment section. Slide into my DMs if you have individual questions that you want to ask me personally. Other than that, don't forget to subscribe because I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. Peace.